reframe is designed, in essence, to tell the customer, shut up, you're wrong. That in essence is what it's designed to do, but in a way that first of all keeps the rapport intact, because that's really important, would you agree? Keeps the rapport intact, but also helps them save face, because no one likes to admit, oh, okay, yeah, I am wrong. You know, customers we don't like to admit we're wrong, do we? And your customers definitely don't like to admit they're wrong. So what the reframe technique does is it gives you an opportunity to help them save face, keep rapport, by starting the response with telling them they're right. And this is how you use reframe. I agree that there are lots of initiatives. I agree that, so I'm going to give you, but just make sure it's in your workbooks, I'm going to give you the example that is so brilliant that you guys, particularly in collections and customer service, because we get it all the time, I agree that it is incredibly frustrating when you think you have settled your loan only to find out that there is this thing called the option to purchase fee, still to pay. I agree, that is very frustrating when you think you have settled your loan and you then discover you've got this thing called the option to purchase fee. Everyone with me so far? Think about a customer saying, I agree with you. So a customer starts to just back off a little bit. Yeah, so okay, well they agree with me. See, told you I was right, Tim, and you were wrong. That's what the customer's now thinking. I disagree that we didn't make that clear, Mr. Customer, that that would be a fee that you would need to pay at the end of the loan, because it is stated in your terms and conditions which you signed. That's brilliant use of reframe for the option to purchase fee problem, because how many of us have to face that? Like day in, day out, and reframe works brilliantly there. So I agree that it's very frustrating when you think you've settled a loan and then you find out X. I disagree that we didn't make it clear that you'd have to do that, because it is stated in your terms and conditions, and you did actually sign those terms and conditions. And therefore I would ask you to settle by way of X, Y and Z by this time frame.